Hanzhi, and I play the accordion.
My name is Stephen Banks. I play the saxophone, but today what you're seeing is the soprano saxophone.
The accordion is pretty heavy because I'm quite petite. My accordion is about 35 pounds. And so for someone to do like the battle shake, for example, yeah, this kind of movement actually requires a lot of energy.
One of the things that's really cool about our two instruments is that they both actually produce sound in the same way. We create sound using reeds, and so when I blow into my instrument, this vibrates against the tip of the mouthpiece and creates the sound. And similarly with the accordion, there are reeds inside of it. And so when Hanzhi creates the airflow with the bellows, the air goes through the reeds, and so it creates the sound. That concept allows us to have a similar way of expressing together.